Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to install Facebook Lite to save memory on OnePlus Nord 5. Let's begin. And we can begin by simply heading into our search inside Play Store and typing in Facebook. You will notice that we have our Facebook downloaded. And if you have your Facebook downloaded, you can see a little section called Similar App Available, called Facebook Lite, and currently is 2.7 megabytes in space. Now this is incredibly useful because if you would click View, you will notice that we have a similar app already installed, but unfortunately we can't really see how much it weighs. So let's go back, let's uninstall our original Facebook. But to be honest, before you do that, I would strongly advise you to check if you know your login credentials, just in case you will forget your password, so you can log in onto the Facebook Lite. Now, if we click the view, we'll see that similar app, the normal Facebook, weighs 82 megabytes. That is a lot more than the normal 2.7. So obviously, all you want to do is now simply hit install. And just so you know, you don't really have to go through here like this. Instead, you can easily and without any issues just type in Facebook Lite, and you should see Facebook Lite right here. And generally speaking, you want to avoid whatever is on the top, because usually it's some sponsored random crap that isn't your application by default. Now you can just open your Facebook Lite, log in and enjoy a lighter version of the Facebook. Anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.